Meg's here, and I bet your wig can't do this. Can it? I don't know. Let's see. I've been loving this Nadula headband wig because it's quick, easy, and glueless with no installation skills needed, girl. And this is so good for beginners or busy people like me because I don't have a lot of time for all of that, okay? I just want to be comfortable. And I'm loving Nadula's packaging. I have this kind of plastic sleeve here with the handle and the box with some goodies inside. I have a wig slip here to store my wig when I'm not wearing it, and some HD wig caps that I'm going to need later. So I also have some headbands that came with my wig with all different colors. So I'm deciding I'm going to go with the white today to keep it real cute and simple, and it matches my aesthetic that I'm going for. And this here is the 24-inch waterwave texture, and I love it so much. Straight out the box, it was beautiful. And the curls are curling from root to end, and I believe my wig is 150 density, but it also comes in 180 density as well. And I love this texture because it's so low maintenance, which I think would be great for vacation and working out. I'm excited to see how this 24 inches will lay on me, but I wanted to see how this hair would perform after washing it. So I did use some leave-in conditioner, and I like to spray this thoroughly throughout the wig and then detangle. And look, it detangled with ease from the root down, you know. I didn't get any tangles. It glide right through, and I like to use some mousse, and I really like to put quite a bit of this because it is very lightweight, and I feel like it really holds the curl really well. So I really wanted these curls to really pop, and I love how this hair feels in its wet state. That's how I know this is some really good quality hair on this headband wig. I did not have any excessive shedding, and the ends of this unit are very, very smooth and soft. That's like key for me when it comes to curly units, and this Brazilian texture really is nice. I love how it just easily glides through there and gets the job done, and it air dries beautifully. So it gives me this kind of like wet wavy look, which is very versatile when it comes to this hair too, because you could definitely rock this just like this. I plan on to, and it's just easy peasy. Like, I love how the curl pattern dried in this state, but later on it does change again. I'm gonna fluff it up. So this is different with this upgraded headband wig. It has a lace strip on it now instead of that material that they used to have, making it real hot, you know. So now we can breathe, and I can adjust these straps here. I love that. So it's a really nice breathable lace here on this unit, along with these combs that add extra security, and I like that. I like that a lot. This cap construction is really, really nice too, because this is different. I'm able to strap the headband. I'm able to adjust with the, drawstring here, and I have this silicone strip. So I love that I can adjust this with this drawstring because it makes it really secure. And I like also with these combs here, I can take these out. So I ended up taking mine out because I just wanted to be a little more comfortable when it comes to my unit, as far as it laying a little more closely to my head. And so I was very pleasantly surprised because I had strapped myself all up, and this goes on very, very securely. Okay, this is not going anywhere, which I also believe this will be a great workout wig. Say if you're a very active person, like if you're a mom or a student on the go, this would be perfect for you. And what I love the most about this wig is this drawstring feature. And this here is the game changer when it comes to headband wigs, because I've never had a headband wig with this drawstring where I could adjust it to my liking and security. Yes, love it. So this is really cute. I even love the design of the lace, but it's super, super secure. I have not had a headband wig that felt this secure. Like, whoa, I'm impressed. And the hair is beautiful. It air dried beautiful, and as you can see, I'm going to start fluffing it up. But I can see, like, it looks very natural that I can put this up in a very high ponytail. I love that. Okay, so I am going to see, it's not going anywhere. I'm going to use my headband, and I'm going to cover that later. But you definitely could put this in a ponytail. I know I did. I've been wearing this running errands. I went to the grocery store with this unit on, and I threw it up in a ponytail. And it's really, really comfortable. That's what I really like as well. Because some, other headband wigs, it feels too loose, making it uncomfortable, but I really love how secure this feels on my head, and it's comfortable, not, feeling too tight or that it's tugging on anything, because that's really important to me on this current hair journey, is I have comfortable protective styles that, don't cause too much friction on my hair. So this works for me. I love how the hair fluffs up, and this is what I'm doing. I'm just kind of like separating the curls because I want a more fluffy look. And so the more you kind of fluff it, the bigger and prettier it gets. But I kind of want mine more like kind of like semi-wet look, a little, you know, a little uniform in the curl pattern right there, but this water wave texture is gorgeous. So I had to do my little I like this dance because this wig is super cute, very lightweight, and that is like the key to this that I love so much, and it's very breathable. So I'm thinking like this could be a cute workout wig, okay? If you want to be cute in that kind of way, you know, go hiking. So I did half up, half down with this, and it looks so natural. You can't see anything in the back. Everything blends, look beautiful in the back as far as that strap there. And it's just super cute. I love the length, and it's just very, very lightweight. The hair itself is not heavy at all either, so I can really play with different styles with this. I can even add some layers with this unit later on, but I love how cute this looks. Like, it's very easy, and I bet your wig doesn't do this, okay? I was able to flip this thing over, okay, and it did not move. It didn't slip, and it did not slide. It's like very, very secure. So I'm like, let's put this into a high ponytail. This is one of my favorite styles to wear when it comes to curly units like this. It's just super cute, especially with headband wigs like this. A high ponytail. Super cute, right? You know, if you're running errands, doing what you need to do, or just chilling around the house, you want to be cute. You got to get on your Zooms. I like this look too, a high bun. Like everything stayed in place. It didn't feel like this wig was going to fly off because I really love that lace band with that extra security with the clamps or the clasp there to adjust it. Because look, I can move this thing all times around. So whatever you need to do, I think she'll be very, very secure. So I'm having a lot of fun with this unit, as y'all can tell. I kind of regretted doing all that head twirling later. My neck was so stiff, girl. But we're here and we're loving this wig. So all information about this Nadula headband wig will be down in the description for you down below. And as always, thank y'all so much for watching, and stick around my channel to watch more of my Nadula protective style unit reviews and styling here on my channel. So yeah, I'm just playing in it. I just love how it starts to get fluffy too. So go ahead and check that out, y'all, and I'll see you later.